Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we will discuss about HTML quotations and citations. So there are some tags which are used for quotations friends and abbreviations like that. Let us discuss Q tag. Q tag is used for quotation, short line quotation and block quote tag. When you want to use a block as a quote, then we will use this block quote tag. And abbreviation tag, it is used to abbreviate the acronym. Okay, and then address tag is used to display the bit of address in the web page. Okay, all we will see in a couple of minutes friends practically. So just I am just explaining the codes. Site, it will tell the title of the work friends, and then BDO, bidirectional. Okay, so it is used to reverse a string. Okay, okay, let us move towards VS Code and see one by one how it will appear on the web page friends. Okay, let's switch over, and then here we have already in the last class we defined one HTML document, full HTML document. We had defined it like this. Okay, so now what you want to see, we want to see this one, right? Q tag. Okay, let us okay, we define h2 element is there, for example, and then if you want to quote, say, hey, I'm cool, says Rajni. Okay, so if you want to quote this this bit of text, so you can make use of Q tag. Okay, so Q tag. So we are using nesting concept. This is called nesting. So h2 is a main tag. Inside this tag we are using another tag, that is Q tag. This type of formatting, actually this type of usage of tags is called nested tags. Okay, okay, let us see how it will appear. Go live. Our web page will open. Listing. Let me put it in inside this. Okay, now HTML. Oh, it is in some other place. Okay, let us take this one. Let us take this text. Okay, so let us take this text and let me comment it out. So we had commented all the elements. So now just take the needed h2 element. Hi, I am cool, says Rajnikant. Okay, now we need to put the is Rajnikant text inside the quotes friends. Okay, okay, now let us see how it will appear in the page. Save. disposing, then restarting the text. Okay, now you can see. So actually we had made the body background color as aqua. That's why the body color is appearing as aqua, friends. Let me move this all this commented code below so that it avoids some confusion. Okay, so this is our document, HTML closing, HTML open, HTML closing. This is a document, simple document. Inside that one we have h2 tag. So here you can see two codes appeared. Okay, so that is the usage, right? And then next, moving block quote. Block quote, let me explain to you. So if you want to put a block of text inside the code, then we'll use block quote, friends. So I have already copied some text from the source. Okay, let me go on some markup text. Okay, and then come here. We had copied this one as a block code. So much of code is there. Okay, so much of code is there. Let us move it. Okay, if you want this bit of text inside the block code, then you can use block code tag. So we need to put this code at the end of the text, right? Okay, now it became block code. Here some codes has also appeared. Just okay, let's simply see, right? Okay, now open our browser. Now save it. Save. Here you can see all this code came up. All this code came up now. Yeah, block code came up like this. All right. So this is the usage, friends. And then let's you can see the space. Okay, it's not left floated text. Some indentation is given by the browser. Okay, so that is the code. And then abbreviation, it's simple, friends. Abbreviation, take the abbreviation, like if you want to say inside the p tags, let us take standard organization. Okay, let's take standard organization. What is that? ISO, no? So whatever the text you need to abbreviate, that text should be surrounded by the abbreviation tag ABBR. Okay, so this text should be inside the abbreviated code, and in this opening abbreviated code we need to give title. So in the title we can expand that abbreviation: International Standard Organization. Friends, okay, so let us open our browser. Okay, then go to the file and save it. Here you can see ISO standard organization came up. Okay friends, ISO standard organization came up, but inside this ISO some dots are appearing. If you put that your mouse pointer on that ISO, the abbreviation pop up like International Standard Organization. So that is the use of abbreviation tags. And then address. So address tags is also similar. So let's make some address tags here. Okay, address. Okay, so house number 123 125, and then some street number, so on so street, say it's Gandhi Street, uh, say Bangalore, say something like that, so let us see how it will appear in the web browser. Now you can see this is the address. By default the address is rendered as italic font. Okay, and then moving to the next, site. So site, what is site tag means? Site tag is used to define the title of the work. My work is done. Site. Okay, site. So what you will put, like it's a which project, web project. Okay friends, so web project, then go to the file and save it. Here you can see my work is done, that part is okay, but it's a web project, it was turned to italic size, right? So these are simple tags. Okay, and then video is text direction. So we need so much patience actually to describe each and every little bit of tags, friends. BDO, say let us tell some HTML, so it will reverse the text inside it. Okay, save. So the HTML, I didn't give one attribute there. Dir means direction. So direction, say right to left. Okay, right to left. Here you can see at the output, reversed, string has reversed. Okay, L has started from first thing, L M T H. Okay, if you give L T R, then what will happen? Let us see. It is normal, left to right, it's normal only. So this is about this some of the citation codes and quotations, friends, and in the next class we will discuss some more codes, some more important codes, friends. Till then, bye bye, your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.